Welcome to Zoomer's RV of Wabash, Indiana. This is the new 2021 Salem Grand Villa 42 FK. This 42-foot destination trailer weighs just about 12,500 pounds. It has 4 slides, including one set of opposing slides. In the rear living area, it sleeps a total of 9 people. At MSRPs at over $67,000, but it's priced so low, we are not allowed to advertise. As always, you can call or text for our best price. We are happy to give it to you. We pride ourselves on a hassle-free experience. And just like always, you can apply for hassle-free financing online at zoomersrv.com. Here's some nice LED light strip underneath this awning. Give you a better look here. Outdoor speakers and sliding glass doors. If I've not already said it, this is a 2-story destination trailer, but we'll get there later. Start in the front kitchen. We have freestanding table and chairs. This nice large pantry. Side-by-side Whirlpool refrigerator. Whirlpool microwave. Overhead cabinetry. 3-burner cooktop with oven. This nice 2-basin sink. Let me take a step back and give you a better chance to look at everything. So you can see everything in context and get a feel of just how roomy this camper is. It is more prepared to meet all of your needs. We have a skylight, AC and ceiling fan. We have our TV with soundbar and fireplace directly across from reclining seats. No craning your neck, just so you can watch the game. It's straight ahead of you. On either side we have these couches that fold down to make hide-a-beds. Pictures online at zoomersrv.com. Let's go ahead and look in the restroom. We have foot flush toilet, linen closet, shower with shower seat. It's a nice sink with mirror. Let's go ahead and look upstairs. To our right, we have this loft area with 2 mattresses, privacy curtains, outlets, and USB ports. To our left, we have even more space. Mattresses, shelves, outlets, USB ports, windows, and curtains. We have this nice storage area and TV hookups. Let's go ahead and look at the master bedroom. You're going to step down. You have a custom king bed. Lots of wardrobe space. Big, beautiful windows. Built-in dresser and TV hookups. I hope you enjoy the tour of this new 2021 Salem Grand Villa. Check us out in person or online at zoomersrv.com. Thank you.